Hello dreamers, this is Dr. Pritesh Singh, National Level Surgery Faculty and Faculty of Surgery at PrepLadder. I'm going to tell you how to use Rapid Revision 4.0 effectively to ace your preparation. The key features of Rapid Revision 4.0 are 200 hours of crisp, concise and condensed video lectures. Students will be able to judge the kind of questions that can be asked from a particular topic. Faculties have explained the concept with images. This will help the students to tackle image-based questions. All the important updates are added to the videos. Key highlights are the notes. We have focused on quality of notes. Structured notes are based on video lectures. Notes are self-explanatory. A student can read, revise notes without watching the video lectures. We have updated our images with new guidelines. The new assets are important information boxes and previous year questions for the last minute revision. QBank is based on past year topics. We have handpicked 2,500 most important questions which are subject wise. So remember guys, the gold standard for revision is the rapid revision. Good luck.